Hello dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Student, today we are going to start a new exercise 8.5 and 8.6, and with these exercises today we will complete our chapter 8. And both the exercises are just very simple. In this exercise we have addition and subtraction one question. Means you have to add or you have to subtract the given term. We have word problems, and the word problem also we have the question in the form of addition and in the form of subtraction. So let's quickly start how to add and how to subtract a decimal number. Although it is just very simple, let's see one more time how to add and how to subtract the term. Right? So students, see, if I am going to add any decimal term, 20.5 means 20.5 and 7.0. If we want to add these two terms, you just need to see that which term will come under which term. That's it. It is 20.5 we have written. Now it is 7. 7 is whole number part. So 7 will not go under 2. 7 will go under 0, because always we used to start to write the number from the right hand side. Okay, 7. If you write 7 here, you will put 0 back, so it becomes 70. No, 7 becomes 7 only. You put 0 in front of it. Right? Now decimal part is there, and after decimal there is 0. So after that we'll add. The thing is, you have to be vigilant that right term you have to make for that. That's it. In the same manner, if subtraction is there, if the question is 99.52, you have to subtract from 100. Right, student? And as you know, from 100 means this term you will subtract from this term. So first of all you will write 100 first, and here is decimal part, but in 100 there is no decimal part. So you will put the decimal by your own. Right? Now 99.52. So from right hand side, 99.52. In decimal part, we'll write in same manner. Okay, means left to right. But right hand side we have to write the digit right to left. Right, student? Now it's very easy to subtract the term. So here I just told you how to write the term in a correct manner while doing addition or subtraction. Okay, student, so this is just an introduction, and both the exercises are very simple. So I am going to do only few questions from these two exercises. Okay, so let's quickly start our exercise questions. Coming to our exercise 8.5, question number 1, find the sum. It means you just need to add the term, and addition from the very junior class we are doing. Right, student? So let's start. It is a decimal number. So student, you just need to be vigilant how to write this statement. That's it. See, we have 0.007, right? 8.5, whole number part under the whole number part, then decimal, and decimal part under the decimal part. So 5. So 5 would be here and 0, 0. Right? Then 30. 30 should not be like that. It is 30, it is full whole number part. So full whole number part will be under the whole number part only. You will just start with the right hand side, 0, then here would be 3. And it's nothing, you can put 0 by your own. Okay, so 30.08, here is nothing, you can put 0. So the statement should be correct, then you will just add the terms. 7, 0, 0 plus 8, 8. 5 decimal, 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8, and then 3. So the answer is 38.587. Very simple addition, student. So it is just addition. You just need to write down the right statement, which I already told the introduction part. Right? So again we have one more part, that is C part. I know you will do by your own. So student, only two parts I am giving you homework, C and D part. These both parts are homework for you, because when you will practice the equation, then only you will understand the concept. Right? It is just an addition only. Okay, so this is all about question number 1. Now coming to our next question. Now student, question number 2 we have total 7 question, and 2 to 7 we have in word problem. But the thing is just same in every question. Like start with the second question. Rashid spent rupees this much for maths book and this much rupees he spent for the science book. Find the total amount that's spent by Rashid. So what is asking? Total. So as you know, in the first question it was given find the sum. But it is a word problem. You need to find out that what is exactly asking in the word problem. So what is asking? Total. It means you need to add only. So as it is word problem, so accordingly we have to solve, right? Money spent for maths book, that will be rupees 35.75. So at top only you can write one time on rupees. So 35.75. The same manner money spent for science book, that would be 32.60. What total amount he spent? So you will add both the terms. 5, 13, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 3, 6. It means at the last you will write, therefore Rashid spent rupees 68.35 on both the books. That's it. The total he spent this much rupees. Very simple student. See question number 3. Radhika mother gave her 10.50 rupees and father gave this much rupees. Find the total amount that given by Radhika parents. You will make this statement and simply you will get the answer. So this question is homework for you. Student, I am again telling you, questions are very simple. Statement can be different. Statement can be changed in every time, right? But the method is just same only. So this is just all about your exercise 8.5. After question 3, you just do one more question like question number 6. So 3 and 6 is homework for you, that's it. Because you just need how to add, that's it. So whatever question will come in the exam or whatever, it's very easy to solve, right? So 3 and 6 only homework for you. So this is all about exercise 8.5. Right? Now coming to our next exercise 8.6. Now coming to exercise 8.6. Now 8.6 we have in the form of subtraction question. Last exercise we had an addition question and here we have subtraction question. That's it. So student, question number 1 and this is question number 2. Subtract, find the value. The question is same only. In the whatever form the question will be, you need to follow the instruction and you just need to solve the question. That's it. See, A part, if you have question rupees this much from this much, means you will subtract this from this. So what students are doing, they are just starting 18.25 then 20.75. Student, now you are in 6th class and such type of question many times we had in junior classes also. Whenever from will come, it means after from term will come first. So you will write at the first only. So 20.75 and you will subtract this term 18.25. Right student? If you write the right statement, then ultimately you will get the correct answer. Right? 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 2 5. Here is 0. So it will give carry. Right? It becomes 10. 10 minus 8 2 and 1 minus 1 0. So the answer is rupees 2.50. Student, addition subtraction from this nursery class only we are learning. Okay, so you need to do the correct calculation, that's it. And if the subtraction question we have in simple form, like this minus this, so no need to change any statement because it is given this minus this, here is nothing. Because student, what is the meaning of from? That you will subtract this term from this term. Is missing, this term you have to minus. That is why understand to question. Right, student? And accordingly you have to solve. Now subtraction. See, 5 versus 7 is impossible. So 5 will take carry from 0. So 0 will become 9. Right? And this become 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. And this 1 given carry to this 0. So it becomes 0. Now it will take carry from 2, so 10 minus 5 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it means you have to be see from which term it has taken the carry and what the term become. That's it. And very nicely we have in junior classes this subtraction question. Very simple, students. So for the practice, any two parts like from this B and C part, and from question number 2 also B and C part you will do by one for the practice only, right? So this is all about question number 1 and question number 2. In this you just do the subtraction. That's it. So this is all about question number 1 and 2. Coming to our next question. See, now again we have the word problem question 3 to 7. Question number 3 we have Raju bought a book, cost is this much rupees, and he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. Obviously when you will go to shop, okay, you purchase this pen. If the pen is 5 rupees and you have 50 rupees, so obviously you will pay to the shopkeeper 50 rupees only, and some money you will get back from the shopkeeper. How much? 45, because the cost of money he will take and rest of the money he will give back to you. Right? So the same manner the question you are having on the daily basis, students. The same manner, rupees 50 to the shopkeeper, how much money did he get back? So what you will do? It is a word problem. So you will write cost of the book is. You have to know how to frame a statement. The question is just very simple. Cost of the book is 35.65, right? And he gave to shopkeeper. He gave the money to the shopkeeper is rupees 50. Okay. So how much money he will get back? It means the money he got. Now student, you know you will do subtraction. So like this you can't do subtraction because it is 35, it is 50. So from 35 you can't do minus. So you will frame a question down like rupees 50.00 minus 35.65. So that is 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So it means he got rupees 14.35. That's it. It means it is just a subtraction. You just frame a question according to given question and then get the answer. Very simple, student. And already we have done such type of question at junior classes many times, right? So it is question number 3. Question number 5 you will do by your own. This is homework for you. For just a practice only, student. All the question is very simple. So one more question I am going to do from this exercise. Question number 6. So let's start question number 6. Student, question number 6 we have Namita traveled this much kilometer and this much meter every day. Now student, 20 kilometer, 50 meter she traveled every day. Okay, like you are traveling from home to school, school to home every day. Okay, find this much, suppose you are traveling. Okay, so out of this total distance, she travels 10 kilometer, 200 meter by bus, and whatever rest of the distances remain, that she traveled by auto. So you have to tell that how much distance does she travel by auto. Obvious, total distance. Okay, out of total distance, this much she travel by bus and rest with the auto, right? So how much with the auto? Total minus this. Obvious, then only you will get the rest of the distance, right student? So let's start. Total distance is given to you 20 kilometer and 50 meter. Student, whenever you will have in such a manner the questions, then you will first of all convert into 1 unit. Okay, so 20.050 kilometer, because in this the relation between of 3 digits 1000, so after 1 to 3 digit there will be a decimal. Okay, so and the distance traveled by bus is 10 kilometer and 200 meter. So it means 10.200 kilometer. Right, because this is already in 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digit के बाद where is decimal. Right. So now the distance by auto will do subtraction. Right, student? So it is 20, it is 10. So already it is in bigger minus smaller. So 0, 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 10 minus 2, 8. Point here would be carry. So 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So it means 9.850 kilometer she travelled by auto. And your answer is correct or not, you can add these two. Distance travelled by bus and distance travelled by auto. You will get this much only the total distance. Right, student? I hope you got this question. Question is just simple. It is just a logical question only. So question number 7 also we have the same type. So this is homework for you. Only 2 questions I have given you homework. Question number 3 and question number 7 as a word problem. Because questions are just very simple. Right, student? So I hope you got today's topic, because today's topic is very simple. Just addition and subtraction. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We have completed our chapter 8 decimals. Okay, and this chapter is very important. Okay, student. So after completion of this chapter, we will take the test as well. So prepare it well. If you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. So at the last, thank you so much for watching, students. Bye bye and take care.